Greeting everyone! Hello! First, let me introduce myself. My name is Matthias Gilasiabat and I'm from SMAN Tubogor. And tonight, I want to share with you a fairy tale. A tale of a magical talking sword and a young knight who was once underestimated, but whose heart and determination lead him to a destiny greater than anyone could imagine. So, this is the story of the Elric and the Talking Sword. Let's just continue to the story. Long time ago, in a kingdom named Eldoria, in the heart of the Eldoria kingdom, there stood a legendary sword named Elander. It was not just a steel, not just a blade, but it had a soul. And for centuries, no one had been worthy to wield it. Knights came, proud and strong. They tried with brute force, with arrogance, with empty ambition. But the sword rejected them all. But then came Elric, a thin, quiet young man, mocked, overlooked, a boy must believe unfit to be a knight. But Elric never stopped training, never stopped believing in effort, no matter how small it is. When he touched the sword, when his hand touched the hilt of Elander's sword, a deep voice echoed in his mind. This voice is from the sword, Elander. And the sword says, another fool seeks me. Tell me, boy, what do you desire? Glory, power, or praise? But Elric answered, no, I don't want any of that. I only wish to protect the people I love. Even if I fail, I want to fail trying, not running away. Hearing that, Elander laughed. At last, someone different. The strong were selfish, the brown were blind. But you are humble. You endure. You think not only with your mind, but with your heart. And then the stone cracked, light burst forth, and with one pull, Elric drew Elander's sword freely. Gas filled the air. The nameless boy, once mocked, now stood with a blade shining like the dawn. And the sword says, Elric, from this day on, I am yours. Together we will carve a path not of conquest, but of hope. And so, Elric and the Talking Sword walked into legend, not because of sheer strength, but because of Elric's heart, his resilience, and the bond with a sword that chose him above all others. And that's the story. And so, Lyric was no longer known as the boy who was underestimated, but as the chosen knight. He proved that a shiner heart and strong determination are far more valuable than great strength. May this tale remind us all that no matter how small we feel, our preference and kindness can lead us to the greatness. That's all from me. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.